Alright everyone, we are back at Cecil County Dragway. I'm going to try and improve our times again. Best thing we got last time was a 10:36. I'm going to see if we can do any better tonight. Maybe 10:2s, you know. No sun right now. I got some nice overcast, but we'll see how it goes. Our literal worst run ever. 10:53 at 1:30. Ay, ay, ay. Must just be hot. Like, I don't know. It's like low 80s right now, a little humid, but I guess we'll wait and see. All right, everyone, so we're back from our first pass, and go ahead and show you guys here. 10:05 at 1:30. So we ran a little worse than last week. I don't really know why. I think it's probably just heat related, because 60 foot's still good, 8th mile's still relatively good. We're just a couple hundredths off each number compared to last week, but yeah, I don't know. Still hooked up good, ran good. I guess we're a victim of the weather at this point, because like I said last time, we're not changing anything on the car. So yeah, here with a buddy I'll introduce to you guys when he gets done his run, and yeah, we're gonna see how many runs we get in tonight.
Dude, you got a 10.5. I need to interview you. Chris, tell me your secrets here. Chris, take my car down the track and tell me what you can get.
Yeah. You heard that.
I really do, man. I really want you to take it down to see if it's just me or if it's just my boat, you know. Yeah. Like I said, I guarantee I've got to have 300 pounds on you. Yeah. At least.
So everyone, this is Maryland Muscle on YouTube. Well, MD Muscle.
MD Muscle.
I'll put his link to his channel in the description. You want to tell us about the car?
2019 Hellcat Redeye wide body in indigo blue. I have 4-star single bead locks on the rear, 17 by 10, and I've got the 4-star skinnies, 18 by 5s on the front. I've got the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's on the back. The one nice thing I like about these 4-stars is I didn't have to do any suspension modifications, didn't have to change the end links or anything like that. They go right on.
Okay.
And the skinnies up front, you know, no spacers, no modifications to them either. You know, they fit really good. I switched to the Mickey Thompson, I believe they're the SRs. They're the actual street tires. So I switched them instead of the M&H. I just feel they do a little better. Yeah. It's completely bone stock other than the drag setup, full weight, half tank gas. Yep. So need to take some weight out. I'm sorry.
Yeah, pretty close to, it's almost an exact clone of my car, just wide body with a little bit more interior stuff. But yeah, I mean, Indigo Blue Redeyes. So, so he ran, his first run was an 11.0.
11.0 at 125, 126.
Hi, here we go. He's got his little GoPro on the front of the car. 1108, 124.96, just about 125.
So I got the speed. I mean, those speeds are 10-second speeds, but my 60 foots are just in the 1.6s. So I don't know if I've got about 50 passes on these tires, so I don't know if they're just done or what.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I ran a 10.5 today. You guys would have already seen that, but yeah, we're gonna try and figure out what the real difference is. His tires are a lot older than mine, but other than that, I guess it's just a weight thing, because like his car's stock, my car's stock, but there's a little bit of discrepancy in the times. When we were here last week when I met him, you ran a 10.8.
Yes, that was on Saturday, where the weather was wasn't as hot, the humidity wasn't as high, the DA wasn't as high. So, but Friday night when I was here, you weren't here Friday, I was here Friday. The temperatures, the humidity, the DA was all right around the same. And without the skinnies, I was doing 11.1, 11.2 consistent.
Yeah.
But 11.1s, 11.2s. Now with the skinnies, I'm down to 11 flat. So I took off 1/2 just by adding the skinnies. But also I had full tank of gas on Friday, where I have a half tank today.
Yep. And all that weight matters.
Yes,
so,
it does.
Well, we're gonna continue making some runs tonight, and yeah, get back with you afterwards. All right, everyone. So it is significantly later. It's only our second run of the night, but it is full nighttime now. So let's see how it goes. So it's the next day, and we're going to go over the, I guess, total results for the day. But yeah, our second pass, we only ended up making 2 passes. There was ridiculous weight and stuff like that. There were so many cars there at the track that it just, 2 runs is all we got. We were there for 5 hours. So got the time slips here, and I also have my 10.3 from last week. So all right, so you'll see 10.3, and then our first pass 10.52, and then a 10.53. Crazy thing about this, I mean, the 60 foot was a little slow on our first pass of the night, but then we kind of got it back into the 1.4s here. But I mean, all the times they're all within a tenth, and I mean, I guess it it's good. It's showing the car's super consistent. I mean, a 1036 to a 1052. It's not a full 2/10. Considering weather changes and stuff like that, it's super dead consistent. So I do think it is time we really start trying to find bracket races or something like that I can, I mean, with this. And then, oh, actually, before I continue, so we actually did our best reaction time ever for me. So 0.005. I was really trying. That was in the second race, actually, against the Camaro. Yeah, we'll keep plugging along. I don't think we're really going to do much more test and tune nights. I've got enough passes on the car now that I know how it reacts. It's just a matter, when it comes to the time, it's just a matter of figuring out the conditions for the day. And then when I'm doing the bracket racing, setting my time or my dial-in for what the conditions would suggest. So that's what we're going to do. Shout out to Maryland Muscle, Joe. You guys saw him in the video. I've learned a lot from him. He's learned a lot from me in the past couple days that we've been at the track together. So it's been fun. It's also nice having somebody that you know at the track with you. It also helps that the cars are basically the same. So, yeah, see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.